So let's take a look at Halsbury's Laws of Australia, Australia's most comprehensive statement of the law. The easiest way to find the publication is using the big red search box on the homepage. By typing in the publication title, you can select from the drop-down list, which will take you to the publication table of contents, where you will be able to find every volume of Halsbury's. From the table of contents, you can navigate to the volume you are looking for. They are all set out in alphabetical order. With a wealth of content at your fingertips, if you have a particular question or search term you want to look for, you can make things easier by selecting the volume you wish to search across and typing your key terms into the red search box at the top of the page. This will then provide you with a list of curated results, which will help you navigate to your answer much faster. When you have found a document you are looking for, you can search within it to really pinpoint the answer faster, navigating through hits on your search term and identifying that final paragraph that gives you the answer you need. Notice on the left-hand side, the table of contents is visible, showing us whereabouts within the publication we currently are, as well as allowing us to quickly navigate around this section of Halsbury's or back to the main table of contents page. Alternatively, you can use a browse strategy to find content. By using the drop-down tree at the side of the publication, you can drill down further into each of the relevant topics, to a subtopic level, a document level, or even a paragraph level before opening into the text. At the top of each paragraph, you can see a currency statement, which lets you know exactly when this content was last reviewed. The notes section also includes hyperlinks into legislation in Law Now, relevant cases including both reported and unreported judgments, case-based signal information that links you to Casebase, and cross-references to other guide cards within the publication. As with all documents on Lexis Advance, you have the option to download, print, or email this content, or save it into a Lexis Advance work folder.